The National Weather Service in Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for southwestern Fon Du Lac County in east-central Wisconsin, southeastern Green Lake County in south-central Wisconsin, northeastern Columbia County in south-central Wisconsin, northwestern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin. Until 6 p.m., at 5:33 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Randolph, or 13 miles west of Waupun, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: tornado and golf ball size hail. Source: weather spotters reported funnel cloud. A funnel cloud was reported east of Cambria. Impact: flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Waupun, Randolph, Markesan, Oakfield, Brandon, Alto, Manchester, Fairwater, Friesland, Oak Center, and Lagoda. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.